Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. For some of you, it could not be your story. And the energy of this reading could also be a reversal. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Wheel of Fortune. This is the current situation. We also have the Six of Air. This is your challenge. The Sun is the spiritual lesson. We also have the Messenger of Earth. This is the past situation. The Two of Fire is the present situation. The future is the Six of Fire. Your attitude is Ancestor, Major Arcana number 7. Outside influence is the Ten of Water. Your hopes and fears is the Five of Earth. And the outcome of this reading is the Eight of Earth. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story and not your energy, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the current situation, is the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the 4 fixed sign in the zodiac, which are the Taurus, the Aquarius, the Leo, and the fellow Scorpios. And I feel like there is a closure here. There could be as well an unusual change. I don't know which is your energy here. For most of you, this is the cycle of life, the rhythm of life, the energy cycles. And I feel like you are advised here to embrace this huge, unusual change in your life. Because if you're going to embrace this fortune as spinning in your favor, you will have a good luck, good karma, and fortunate change. This could be a fortunate new beginnings in your life. The more you resist, the more your life gets harder. And that's why you are advised to embrace the unknown, to embrace this unusual change in your life. For some of you guys, I feel like this is the time that the time of harvesting the fruits of your labor, because the wheel is spinning in your favor. It could also be that there are people in the past who are now receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you, because the wheel of fortune is just like also the well of karma. What goes around comes around, but it depends on what you have done in the past. For most of you, this fortunate change is in your favor if you are going to embrace my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Six of Air. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an air sign in your birth chart, could be, not necessary. It could also be other sign. For most of you, this is related to divine communication. You are advised to continue meditating and praying, because this is important for you to protect yourself and your family. You look, I feel like you look at this picture, there is a wolf here. You are advised here to recognize with whom you have connected in your life. This is a useful limitations, because I feel like somebody wants or plan to harm you and your family. That's why the universe advises you to meditate, to pray. You look at this wolf. If the wolf will cross on the other side of the water, of the lake, it could be that the wolf will eat the kids of these geese. You look, this is a family. Could also be that there is a problem related to your family. I don't know. And you are advised here to reach out to your guardian angels, to the Divine Most High, to meditate and to pray, in order for you to have a clear mindset, a clear decision. It could also be that somebody here wants to communicate with you or wants to send you a message. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And you need to be very strategic in this situation and to be aware in your surroundings with whom you have connected, to protect yourself and your family. Or you are advised here to meditate, to pray, in order for you to have a clear decision regarding with this person or a group of people. This person or group of people could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. It could also be that they are trying to bother your peaceful surroundings. For some of you, you are no longer communicating with this person or group of people. It could also be that these are the couple. And there is a children involved in this situation. Could be that this couple needs to communicate with you related to these children. I don't know. It could also be that you have a relationship with this person in the past and you have children, and somebody here wants to communicate. It could be you or the other person you are dealing with. And that's why in order for you to have a clear vision, you are advised to meditate and to pray. Because we are now on the Mercury retrograde, the planet of communication. And there could be a misunderstanding or miscommunication here will happen if you are not very watchful of your words. It could also be that this person or this couple are in danger because of, you look at this, the couple, the wolf. And the wolf is just watching the couple with children. It could also be that this person needs your support. I don't know. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The universe advises you to be very strategic, skeptical, analytical, and of course, continue to meditate and to pray in order for you to have a clear decision, a clear vision. And this is your challenge. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And it could also be that there is a correlation with the first card. I feel like this person knew that you have a good fortune. Could also be related to an inheritance or related to your legacy or your hard work. I don't know. They knew that you have a good fortune. And it could also be that they needs your support. And that's why they wants to communicate with you. It could also be that this person is, what do you call this? Or this couple wants to manipulate you. But I feel that both of them wants to communicate with you. This could be involved with children. Could also be two people who are conniving each other. I don't know. Take only what fits in your story. We have here the Sun. This is the spiritual lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. You look. There will be a correlation with this previous card. Somebody here wants to communicate with you. This could be two people conniving each other and the children is involved, or this could be a couple wants to communicate with you. And it could be related to children. And I feel like they're in danger. You look. Or it could also be that you are advised to be very careful in communicating with this person, or the couple or two people who are conniving each other. Related could be with his children. And the wolf is a sign that you need to be watchful, to be very careful of what they are going to deal with you. Yeah. You look, this is your next card. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. I feel like for some of you, this is your energy. You are free of guilt and shame because you manage to accept your flaws and your weaknesses in life. And this is your energy. You are inspired, you have prosperity, and you express joy and vulnerability. It's because you have seen the truth of who you are. You have lots of illuminations, especially with these people or person you are dealing with. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Leo, and you have seen the truth, the clarity, who this person are in your life, or who this person is in your life. For some of you, I feel like you have trauma or grudges with this person, and you manage to heal, or you are on the stage of healing. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo wants to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. Could be also an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a Leo. For most of you, this is your energy. You have prosperity and assured success in your life. Others of you, this is like the vibrance of summer shines into your life. Your life is stunning. Your life is flourishing. There is growth, prosperity, healing, and also you will recover from the painful situation in the past because you managed to heal and to accept what are those things that needs to change, need to accept. Others of you, it could also be that there is a children or a child involved here because this is the energy of a Leo. In an astrology, Leo is the house of children. Could also be that this is the reason why you are showing vulnerability, why you are happy and joy. It could also be that this person viewed you as a healer or this person wants to dim your lights because your light is shining bright. They doesn't want you to shine. They wants to harvest your energy if this is the hater. And that's why the universe advises you to protect your energy. Double confirmation, because the 6 of air is also a warning sign. You need to meditate, to pray, because I feel like somebody here wants to communicate with you, and be very watchful, because this could be that this person, a couple or a two person who are conniving each other with kids, is causing danger on your life. You look, the wolf here. Yeah, I don't know which is this all about. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign or a Leo. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you guys, you have learned your lesson from this person, and that's why you choose to heal and to love yourself. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the messenger of earth. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you have an earth sign in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be any other sign. I feel like you are advised here to let go of control issues, because you cannot control everything, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You cannot control the thoughts of other people, of what they think about you, their opinions about you. You cannot control. You can only control your thoughts. Whatever the opinion of other people towards on you, ignore it, because they are not the one who pay your bills and who feed your mouth. You need to focus on yourself instead of minding what they are saying about you. For instance, they will say, oh, Scorpio, you cannot do that. Stop it. Oh, Scorpio, this is bad. Oh, Scorpio, this is not good. Oh, Scorpio, you should not tell the truth, because this is, what you call this, a shame if you are going to tell the truth. This is not your problem, you know. You cannot control what they think about you. You can only control your thoughts and your life, and not the other people opinion towards on you. That's why this is also a let go of control issues. And this is the past situation. For some of you, you managed to let go of these control issues. Could also be that there are people who wants to control your life. And I feel like you are not arguing with them anymore. You just leave this person or these people, because I feel like in the past there are people who wants to manipulate you to control your life, and you are advised to let go of their issues, of their opinion towards on you. Take only what fits in your story. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, and this person wants to control your belief, your thoughts, your action, your decision. Take only what fits in your story. Either you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, a Leo, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Because they are eyeing on your good fortune. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay. And we have here the 2 of fire. This is the present. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or it could also be that you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Not necessary. For most of you, you are advised to be very careful, because I feel like somebody here, this could be a couple or a two persons who are conniving each other. They want to mislead your journey. They want to mislead your path. This is a warning sign. This is related to your destiny. Somebody here wearing a false mask. This could be a couple or two people who are conniving each other to mislead your pet because they want to control your destiny. Yeah. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. The universe advises you to be very careful with whom you have connection in your life, with whom you are inviting people in your home, because I feel like somebody here wants to mislead your pet because they don't like it that you have a wheel of fortune. You have a fortunate life. For some of you, you are no longer connecting with him anymore, and you have no communication as well. That's why somebody here wants to communicate with you. This is the air, 6 of air. I feel like you cut off the ties of this person. You block as well in your social media and in your mobile, because I feel like this person or people are causing too much pain and burdens in your heart and in your mind. And since you have a well of fortune coming, or for some of you, you have already this, and they knew as well that you have a good fortune, and they hate it. They don't like it because they want to be the part of your good fortune. Why they hate you? Because you cut off the ties of this person. And why you cut off? Because they miss you up. And now, they hate it when you have a good fortune. Can you imagine? There are people nowadays who are snakes. They are the one who initiate this conflict. And now they want to talk to you because they want to be the part of your good fortune. They want a piece of you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Be very careful because they are not the way they say how they are. You look, double face, snakes. Take only what fits in your story, and this is the present situation. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, and an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, because these are the cards come out from this reading. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the 6 of fire. This is the future. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, a fire sign energy, double confirmation. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you, because this is not for all Scorpios. This is an illumination. Whatever they plan to you, this couple or two persons who are conniving each other with other group, the air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, everything will illuminated because this is an illumination. They won't succeed. You look, because this is the present, they are planning to mislead your destiny, your journey. And I feel like the universe take over with this problem because you will have an illumination here. You will see the real face, the real intention of this person or couple or two people who are conniving each other against you, because they are pretending that, oh, Scorpio, I am here, I am back, I am your friend, I am your family, I am your allies, or I am your co-workers, I am your neighbors, or I am your ex. I don't know who is this person in your life. Be very careful. These are two or couple. And you look, you will have an illumination, or you will receive an information regarding the plan of this person or group of people, because this is the future. An illumination, a clarity. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, because these are the cards now come out. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the 7 major arcana, ancestor, For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, because normally this is the energy of a Gemini in, what do you call this, in Rider Tarot. For some of you, it could also be that there could be a significant or major things happen in your life on the 7th. I don't know, because the number 7 could be, what do you call this, a significant number with these major things happen on you. Could also be that your birthday is with number 7. I don't know. Others of you, it could also be that this person viewed you as their twin flame. This person could be a Gemini. Could also be any other sign. For some of you, you have an argumentation with this person, because I feel like you are no longer communicating with them. Could be related to an inheritance, because this is an ancestors. Could also be that you are receiving this inheritance. Could be this is the Wheel of Fortune is your current situation, and it could be that this person having a misunderstanding or conflict with you. I don't know. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. This person believe that you are their twin flame. And there could be a situation or a problem which is related to money or inheritance. I don't know. Could also be that you are inherited a lump sum of money and there could be a problem here. I don't know, which is your story. For some of you, it could also be that you have a past life connection with this person. This could be a deja vu. This is a karmic patterns, and it happens in this generation because the history repeats itself. Somebody here never learned their lesson. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 10 of water. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be any other sign, but the water sign, but this is the 10 of water, or a group of people. Could be that you are dealing with a water sign, or a group of people includes a water sign like you. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. For most of you, this is the advice from the universe that you don't need to scared or to hide, because you have lots to offer in this world. You have, this is fluidity. You have lots to offer to this world. Either rain or shine, you don't need to scared. You don't need to scared to show your potential, your abilities, your knowledge, your talents, your voice. You don't need to hide, because I feel like the universe, the world needs your voice, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and you don't need to scared or to hide, because you have lots to offer to this world. For some of you, it could also be that you are scared to fall in love because of your painful experience in the past. Could also be that you are hiding. I don't know. You are hiding from these people because you are tired of their BS. You don't want to talk because somebody here wants to communicate with you. Remember, 6 of air. And the universe advised you to not to hide, to raise your voice, not to scared, not to afraid, to talk, to tell the truth, because I feel like you are supported here, and you also knew the truth, because for most of you, you are a psychic, or could also be that you are an intuitive person. Yeah. This could be as well the energy of a person with whom you are dealing with. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, and this person is hiding on you. This person is afraid or scared on you, because I feel like this person is keeping secrets on you. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be that this person keeping, what do you call this, feelings towards on you, but this person is, what do you call this, afraid to tell you their feelings. Somebody here is hiding because somebody here is doing, could be shady in the dark, or it could also be that this person viewed you as a mysterious. I don't know which is your energy here. Take only what fits in your story. This is the outside influence. Could also be that this person have feelings on you, wants to offer you a cup of love, wants to socialize you, wants to apologize you if this is a past person. Could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Could also be that this person wants to have an emotional fulfillment with you. This person could be wants to offer you a stability. This is a longevity in relationship. Yeah. And this person is, could be afraid or scared. I don't know. If you are single, of course, this person wants to offer you a longevity in relationship. If you are already married, this person could be scared or afraid because they are keeping secrets on you. I don't know who is this person. This person wants to socialize with you, but we are hesitate to come forward towards on you. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. I don't know who is this person in your life. This person having a feelings, a deep feelings towards on you. This person wants to have peace. If you have grudges with this person, to harmonize the relationship between you and them. But this person is scared, afraid. I don't know. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the 5 of Earth. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or it could also be that you have an earth sign in your birth chart. I feel like the universe advised you here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that if you are blessed with too much things in your life, don't forget to share the less fortunate. It could also be that this person viewed you, that you have lots of blessings in your life and they needs your support. Because you look, your first card is the Wheel of Fortune. And somebody here needs your support, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that you look at this picture. Could also be that they have nothing to eat, or I don't know, because this is the bones. Could also be that this person doesn't have so much, or I don't know. There's somebody here needs your support, because could be that they feel that they are in the stage of poverty. It could be that somebody here is losing financial, what do you call this? Financial matters, yeah. Could also be that somebody here is about to bankrupt, I don't know. And this person viewed you that you have too much to offer in your life, because you are the 10 of water, the Wheel of Fortune, and you have also an inheritance, a legacy, the ancestor, and this person could be needs your support. Could also be that they are experiencing a financial loss. I don't know which is your energy here. Could also be that somebody here is greedy. They wants to have everything from you. And they will let you like the bone. They will leave you, they wants to eat all, and they will leave you only a bone for you, because this person is greedy. They wants to have everything. Yeah. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. I don't know which is your energy here. This is your hopes and fears, because this person needs your support. Could be that you are no longer communicating with this person anymore, because somebody here wants to communicate with you. I don't know, maybe this person messed you up. Because there is no reason that you will not communicate with this person. If you are not communicating with them, there's a reason. Maybe they mess you up. They cause too much pain on burdens in your mind and in your heart. Yeah. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could also that this person is greedy, money hungry. They wants to take everything from you. They doesn't want you to give. They doesn't want you to have give and take. Only take and take. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpion. We have here the 8 of Earth. This is the outcome. This is the spirit of a place. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign. Again, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. There are lots of earth sign come out in this reading. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign really. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. For some of you, this is your energy. You are advised here to spend time to the nature. You are advised here to go to a place, especially in the nature, in the woods, and to recognize the place, because this is a spirit of the place. Yeah, you are advised here to roam and to meditate, to be there, to spend time in the nature, because it could also be that for some of you, you need fresh air, or you need to have a clear thinking, a clear mind, because somebody here botherings you, botherings your mind. This could be this person who wants to communicate with you. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or could also be the fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I don't know which is your energy here. Or could also be regarding with this person who embodied the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. The universe advises you here to spend time to the nature and to know the place where you are. You are advised to, what do you call this? You can also, to roam the place which are comfortable for you. Or you are advised to relocate to a place which is comfortable for you. It could also be that you are living in a place where people are so nosy. The people are just minding your own business instead of minding their own. And you need peace. You need healing. And if you are stay in this place, if you are stagnant, you cannot think clearly. Yeah. And that's why you need to spend time to the nature, because for some of you, you are living in a place where people are so nosy. They are living your life instead of leading their own lives. I hope that makes sense. And this is the outcome in this reading. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. Why the 2 of fire here? Tell me more about the 2 of fire in this reading, please. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, why the 2 of fire here, please? The 2 of fire is clarified as 4th house. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the 4th house is the Cancer. Or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. You look, this is the clarification of the 2 of fire. It could be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and or Cancer. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could also be that this is in your family. This is Heim und Familie. This is a German language which stands for home and family. Could also be that there is a problem related to your family. And this person are involved. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or a Cancer. And you need to be very careful, because somebody here is wearing a false mask. Somebody here are pretending. They are not the way who they are. They wants to block your path, your journey, your destiny. For whatever reason. Could be because of jealousy and envy. They want a piece of you, of your wheel of fortune. They knew that you will have a fortune in your life. That's why somebody here wants to communicate with you. The six of air. Yeah. Could be that you are dealing with either a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or a Cancer. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. Why the Six of Air in this reading? Tell me more about the Six of Air in this reading, please. The Six of Air is clarified as Steinbock, the Shepen. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with a Capricorn or a lady boss. The Steinbock is embodied the energy of Capricorn. This is German language astro cards. The Shepen is the lady boss. And this is the clarification of the six of air, which is embodied the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Either you are dealing with an air sign or a Capricorn and or a lady boss. And I feel like this person wants to communicate with you. It could be that you are cutting off the ties of this person and you are no longer communicating with them anymore. Be very careful because this person is also a warning. I don't know. Could be that they are planning to manipulate you. They are planning to cause danger on you. Either you are dealing with Capricorn, the lady boss, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be that this could be other sign and they are the couple or a two persons conniving each other involved with children. I don't know who is this person. Could be Capricorn, the lady boss, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in the story. Clarify me, please. The sun in this reading. Why the sun here in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, moon, rising, and Venus. The sun is clarified as the 5th house. Of course, this is the Leo. The 5th house is the house of Leo. And this is exactly the clarification of the sun. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. And I feel like there will be a children involved here because this is Leo is the house of children. Somebody here wants to heal the trauma, the grudges between you and them. Or it could also be that this person wants to dim your lights because yours is shining bright. There are only two reasons here. Either they wants to heal the trauma, the grudges between you and them, or they wants to dim your light because they couldn't stand your aura. It could also be that this person wants to play with you because this is Freudian spiel. Freudian is happiness and play. Could also be that this person is feeling happy when they are playing on you. I don't know. Or it could also be that this person wants to heal the trauma, the grudges between you and them. Could be a Leo. Clarify me, please. Why the 5 of Earth in this reading? Tell me more about the 5 of Earth here, please. The 5 of Earth is clarified as Trigon, Unterstützung und Inspiration. This is a German language astro cards which stands for Trigon, inspiration, and support. I feel like this person needs your support because this person could be on the stage of poverty. This person could be losing financial matters. I don't know. And this person needs your support. And the clarification is also support. Unterstützung is support. And inspiration. Could also that this person needs, or this person inspired by you and they needs your support. I don't know who this person could be. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And clarify me please, why the Wheel of Fortune in this reading? Wow. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified as Uranus. Veränderung und Neubeginn. This is a German language which stands for changes and new beginning. And this is exactly the Wheel of Fortune. This is a huge change in your life. This is a fortunate change. Or it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius, because Uranus is one of the ruling planet of an Aquarius, wants to have a new beginning with you. This person wants to change because of you. Could be an Aquarius. And this could be related to this new era of your life. This person, if this is your ex, they wants to have a fresh start with you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio. Yeah. Could also be that you already changed and you have a new life, a new beginning, and without this person. Yeah. There could be a changes, an unusual change, because Aquarius is also a fixed sign, and this is unusual change for this person, for both of you, because both of you are fixed signs. Either this person wants to have a new beginning with you or willing to change because of you, or this person wants to have a fresh start or new beginning with you, but you already changed, you already transformed. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.